so pretty.
Human! Whew, that was close.
We interrupt this video to bring you today's rules.
Okay, boys, y'all know the rules, and I don't need to repeat them, but I'm gonna, cause I wanna. And here they are. No biting, no scratching, no kicking, no burping, no slurping, no cussing, no squalling, no wrestling, no heeing, no hawing, and more than anything, no cheating.
No cheating? Hey, that's not fair.
Okay, scrappers, now y'all know the rules. And let me add, there'll be no undoing, no saying you ain't creative, and no leaving your screen until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Now, are you two ready for your first contest? On your mark, get set, go, go, go!
Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Are you Gnomies ready to win?
Let's see who can beat me this time. Let's go on a scavenger hunt. I want you to gather the following 10 items. Once you have all 10, snap a photo and show us here. Don't worry if you don't know how to add a photo. We'll help you out. We want you to find a piece of blue scrapbook paper, a pair of tweezers, liquid adhesive, scissors, glue dots, a photo, a snack, flowers of any sort, a Nuvo Glitter Marker, and a completed crafting project.
Once you find all of the items, gather them and post a picture here under this post. Happy searching!